of course. It's going climbing up, vertically up now. We'll roll up over the top. This is called the Humpty Bump. So right at the top, and then straight back down. A couple of flick rolls as it comes down. Levels out, and we should get a couple more flicks in a moment. And up and around. Yeah, no, so full rolls. When we're having a cup of tea, Tommy was doing 1.5 flicks there, but it's a bit more. So we should get a loop next. There we go. Up over the top. Through that rather hazy sun. And a roll off the top. Okay. And it's polished by a firm called Rise and Shine, which is very apt indeed. Very distinctive rasp as it pulls around there. That's the propeller tips going virtually supersonic when it does that. This was originally owned by the Red Rock River Glycerine Company, which is supplied nitroglycerine to the oil industry. So, and was used for fracking before the war. So fracking is nothing new. It's been going on for 70 odd years. So that's what they used it for. The executives of that company used to get flown around in this. Their wives have been very good at taking off to the big shops. I'm told he can land downwind, and I'm not sure what quite he's going to do. What a manoeuvre! And we're getting quite close to the ground now, around 100 feet. Long, slender wings, pushing it round. Watch it in an anti-storm turn, an expression, and come down.
She said, oh, they left her.
Roll with it. Here it goes. Is he going to go up? Yes, it's going over. That's right. I found the right place on my page. Spot on. Goes round. What he's going to do. Amazing. I've been praising the timekeeping of the RAF, and it seems to be almost early. But there's the BBMF Dakota, making its first in several passes. C-47, affectionately known as Dakota, it's got the Normandy landing invasion stripes on it. Absolutely fantastic aircraft. The workhorse of Transport Command in all air forces for many, many years. Being flown today by Davy, Beresford, Simmons and Bampton. I'll see if I've got a few notes on them in a moment. But they've done exceedingly well getting here. Here we go. In the Dakota, we have flying it. I think that one is. Over 20,000 Spitfires were built during the Second World War and immediately afterwards. This one was high altitude for further reconnaissance, had a very, very fast turn of speed. In fact, the PS915 when they first flew, if you tried to do that with them, the engine cut out because the carburettor suffered from negative G. And it was secured by putting a small device into the carburettor float chamber. I just had a text message to say the Strikemaster is inbound, and there he was. So it's faster than the text message. This, he's only doing this to sort of bring it into land. His displays later on. But, we haven't had a jet land here for a little while, so this is always good to see. Brought it in. Cracking plane. Tell you more about it when it does its display. Oh, there's some of my notes going. Wonderful. Hopefully they might be my old notes. Don't you notes that the wing walkers. Crack them up, people, please. They're flying everywhere. Go off the clip.
Well, we got lucky with that, didn't we?
Strikemaster down. Oh, thank you very, very much. Very sorry. Fourth in the world. And holds several world speed records as well with this particular plane. So. At the back, acting as a pusher, and of course the rotary wings are act as the airfoil section. I think now, when did you last see a plane flying sideways? Pretty good. Now doing all right, and eventually they'll come in a bit lower. Smoke off to give it flavour.
Ladies on it.
Down they come.
On the very top.
We go over into the loop, I think. Information.
Ladies on the top. Very useful as a ground attack aircraft. Very strong Rolls-Royce engine, the Viper, and has manual flying controls, which means that it can carry on flying. It's not dependent on hydraulics or they can do all its thing. Highly
manoeuvrable. Get some high energy aerobatics out of this with its graceful leaping manoeuvres, it says here. Here he comes. Right to left. Nice slow pass. Plenty of time to get it in. Good. Slows a good sound as it's all up to power. Amazing. Every head in the crowd is looking in one direction and one direction only. I wonder why. Here comes the old lady, look at that. There we go. Right round, to the right and up. Nicely together.
She went heading off in the wrong direction. Found her again.
Mega random.
Don't wander off.
Now we should get into line and stern, they are doing. An orbit. Nice dive with a lot of throttle on, and then pull up. Pulling 6G as he goes up there like that, right onto the top, hanging on the prop until perfect stall time, then flick over, down. Nice moving now, pass from the left. Typhoon. RAF Typhoon.
Watch this going down now.
One of the finest planes in the world.
Wow!
In unison to form Eagle, and now in from the right hand side, this is the Eagle roll. As they go upside down, boys and girls, give them a wave, this is where they'll see you. As Bill mentioned, it's a very special year for the Red Arrows. 2014 is the Red Arrows' 50th display season. Enid, break first. Now keep your eyes on Jippo.
Get up!
around a dozen times. This is the Twister. And getting busy with the red smoke there is Red Fly. He is Flight Lieutenant Steve Morris. It's Steve's second year with the team. He's flown both the Tornado GR4 and the Harrier GR9 and has spent a tour as a Hawk flying instructor. Formation. This is the Vixen break. And you've been watching the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red